Whoa, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to today's video. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Fabiola. If you love anything that's pink and girly, then you're at the right spot. Go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, click the bell notification, and follow me on my Instagram, FABIOLAGOFFICIal. So for today, I have a Victoria's Secret haul and I am so excited because I haven't really shopped at Victoria's Secret in a very long time. My Victoria's Secret where I live is actually closed at the moment. I think they're doing like remodelations, so I did do this online and I'm so excited because tomorrow is my birthday and it arrived just in time. So here it is and I already cut it open just to make sure everything was in there. So the first thing I got was kind of an impulse buy. I was already done adding things to my cart, but I saw this and I took the chance to order a perfume without smelling it. I know that can be a hit or miss, and I don't know, I saw the name of it and from what I remember, this perfume, or not this exact one but the similar one, smells incredible. It is the Heavenly Dream Angel, and if you have ever smelled the Heavenly perfume, it smells like heaven. So I'm very excited because I love all the perfumes from Victoria's Secret. They are gorgeous. So here's the packaging. So pretty, just very like aesthetically beautiful and pleasing. Oh, it smells really nice. Definitely smells a little more floral than the original Heavenly. This one smells really good. Oh, it smells so beautiful. Like, this is a perfume that I would definitely wear during the day. It's more like a during the day perfume, definitely is, but it smells so good. It smells very floral. There's a little bit of sweet. I can't really tell what it is. Is it like berries? It smells really good. I'm the worst at describing perfumes, so if you want to know what the notes are, check it out on their website, but I'm excited with this and I'm very happy. Oh, just found it. Okay, it says Prismatic Musk, Raspberry. That's what I was smelling, the berries. Okay, so raspberry, nectar, amber crystals. That's what it smells like. It smells incredible. So I'm so happy I picked this up. So the next thing I picked up is this adorable bra. It is the lace bra. And I'll try to link them down below. But look how pretty this is. So this is from the pink section and it's all lace and pink and pretty and it has little rhinestones all around. It is gorgeous. Okay, I'm in love with this bra. The reason why I got that is to go with this bodysuit that I also ordered. Ooh, this was really soft. So pretty. It's a turtleneck bodysuit and it's all lace and it also has the little rhinestone details throughout the whole bodysuit. It's long sleeve. It is gorgeous. And this here, I saw the model wearing it with this bra under it. It's so pretty and so pink. I am obsessed. I also got another bra and I was so sad because I wanted the panties to go with it, but they didn't have them. They were sold out, so I only got the bra. And this one here is from the Victoria's Secret collection and it's the popular striped bra. So beautiful, and I love that it has this little rhinestone detail here in the center. Like, how beautiful. Obsessed with this. I really wish I would have gotten the matching panties to go with it, but I'm happy that at least I got this gorgeous bra. I also got, what did I get? I forgot. I forgot what I got. Let me go ahead and open this. It is the popular coconut body scrub. This has been my favorite forever, ever since it came out, and I'm so excited that I got it again. It's the Coconut Conditioning Body Scrub from Pink. It smells so incredibly good. Oh, it smells like raw coconut. It really does, and it makes your skin feel so smooth and so hydrated afterwards. And I love that it's a body scrub, so excited with this. I also got another pink panty, and I got this one to go with the bodysuit. It's from the same collection, and it's this gorgeous lacy pink undie, and it has in rhinestones the word pink. So pretty. Next I got this gorgeous bag, which was the main reason why I shopped at Victoria's Secret in the first place, because of this bag. This is a tote bag, and this came free with purchase. And this has got to be the most cutest tote bag they have offered as a free gift, at least in my opinion. But look how gorgeous this tote bag is. It's fluffy, it's soft, it has the Victoria's Secret logo on there. Oh, I love this. Okay, so it has an actual zipper. Love that. And inside it looks like this, so there's lots of space in there. There's also little compartments. Wow, this is like so spacious. I am beyond thrilled with this here. So beautiful. This is going to be a perfect winter tote bag, and it's incredibly soft. I am so excited with this. This is like what I was so excited for. But that was everything that I got for this Victoria's Secret haul. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. If you stayed through the end of this video, comment snowflake down in the comments below so I know you watched the whole entire video and stayed with me for this little haul. I love you all so much, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.